70-ish area, high 72s. We'll see what happens with that. Waiting for everything to filter in here. So like I said, QRVO, finding resistance here at the VWAP, but that is, these markets are way too wide for us to try and trade. All right, so we got that. NXPI bouncing off of its lows through the VWAP, finding it, well, now it's trading right at the VWAP and at the 7. Okay, so we have FedEx here. That's going to be a gap that we're going to want to take a look at. We're going to need that to develop over the next bar or so, but I'll set an alarm for us in case this thing comes roaring back. Got that.
Oh my lord. MTFP, ladies and gentlemen.
And then we have Monster and ACB Aurora is off nearly 2% as well.
Got bigger. They must have had a secondary offering.
Come on, there we go. And then I don't know if we had many or any gap ups. No gap ups. Biggest mover on our watch list overnight was Wayfair, which is up 1%. That's not enough for us to really consider. Okay, so we just have a couple gap downs that we're looking at, and let's see what's happening here. Markets are slightly depressed.